In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove facial verification or a passkey from your Binance account, and also explain why Binance may still require facial verification for certain actions. This is important to understand so you don't accidentally weaken your account security or get blocked during withdrawals. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Binance app and make sure you're logged into your account. This process is handled directly from the mobile app. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile icon at the top of the screen. From there, go to Security, where Binance manages all account protection features. Inside the security menu, look for Passkeys Biometrics and tap on it. This section shows all biometric security methods linked to your account, including facial verification or device-based passkeys. Next to your facial verification entry, you'll see a delete or trash icon. Tap on this icon to remove the facial verification or biometric passkey from your account. Binance will ask you to confirm the removal, follow the on-screen prompts, and approve the action to complete the process. Now, here's something very important to understand. Binance mandates facial verification as part of its security system. Even if you remove it now, Binance may require you to complete facial verification again when performing sensitive actions such as large withdrawals, security changes, account recovery, certain compliance checks. So while you can remove facial verification or a passkey temporarily, it's still a critical security layer designed to protect your account from unauthorized access. Once removed, your account will continue working normally, but be prepared to verify your identity again if Binance requests it. And that's it. That's how you remove facial verification or passkeys in Binance, and what you should know before doing so. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.